So most people solve this question like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, right? Then 2 multiply 4 is equal to 8. Then 8 divided by 8, and that is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. But here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have one division, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve this parenthesis. So now 8 divide 4 multiply. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now here we have one division and here we have one multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So now 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 multiply 2, right? So 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So the correct answer is 4. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.